Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about type modifiers in C++ programming. The type modifiers can be used to modify the fundamental data types, and the type modifiers are signed, unsigned, short and long. So we can use these type modifiers with the fundamental data type like integer, double, float and so on. We can use those modifiers with the fundamental data type to modify the fundamental data type. Like in this table shows here, we have one fundamental data type character, and we have used the type modifiers signed and unsigned along with the fundamental data type to modify the fundamental data type. Similarly, we have used the type modifiers along with the short data type. Similarly, we can use the type modifier signed and unsigned along with the integer data type to modify the data type. And this way we can use those type modifiers along with the fundamental data type, and we can modify their value. So this is the way we can use the type modifiers to modify the fundamental data types. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.